Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add a new keyboard language on iPhone. To do that is really easy. You have just to go to settings. After that scroll down, go to general. After that scroll down until you find the keyboard option. Click on it. After that go to keyboards and scroll down until you find add new keyboard. Here you will find all the keyboards available for your phone. So for example, those ones are like third-party keyboards available like for my phone. And those are like the original keyboards. I will, for example, choose the Finnish keyboard. I have just